In a jungle, there lived a clever parrot named Rico. Rico never spoke normally, he only talked in riddles. One day, a monkey asked, "Where are the sweetest mangoes?" Rico replied, "Golden suns hang near the fall, find the tree. That's tall." The monkey solved the riddle and found the mango tree. Another time, a tortoise asked the way home. Rico said, "Follow the mass, where shadows cross." The tortoise followed the clue and reached successfully. All animals realized Rico's riddles made them think and learn. Moral: riddles make us smart and curious.